we do here is go back.
It's my boy's new project truck. Pretty clean. But yeah, guys, I'm still waiting. It's been like 5 days and I'm still waiting. Nah, but I just wanted to remind you guys about the giveaway. About the headlights and taillights. Remember, go to my Instagram picture and then tag 3 people and then tag me when you post it. And then you're automatically entered. But I don't know if to end it this week or give you guys another week because people will still be entering. So post it in the comments if you guys want me to keep it going till Saturday or just end it tomorrow and I'll go live picking the winner. But yeah, just let me know. Currently waiting on my man Weddle. Picked up a new build. I'll post a picture of the OBS he has right now. I'll put it like somewhere right there. He has a clean little black OBS. But yeah, I don't know what else to do. Here it is, guys. This thing got 97K miles.
Tomorrow.
Why don't you cam your truck? Motherfucker. Hold up. Hold up, what? I need to make that go. Hold up, wait a minute. My hand smells like straight gas.
What kind of gas?
That's good gas. Where's the 13? Look for it. Look it up on YouTube. Heater core flush. Oh, heater core flush. Alright, bye. Grab this motherfucker. I just copying you. Damn, you're good balance. You can be up against back hurts. Can't post it anymore.
Pull it your way, nigga.
Oh shit, that didn't work out how we wanted.
What the fuck are you talking about?
I didn't say nothing, damn.
Pull it out, nigga. Hey, pull it out.
Oh, that
You fucking dumb motherfucker.
bitch? Oh. Do they pay Christian?
No.
What?
That's power. Give it a crank. Like that. Alright. At least the lights work though. I don't know how the fuck this one works. You recording?
Yeah.
Guys, I did all this work. Let's see what happens. Why is it on? Son cabrones los vatos.
You did this shit?
Yeah, I was just I was out most of the time because hombre trabajador. You know, but I have my slaves doing all that bullshit. Oh, I forgot you can't cuss no more.
I do what I want, you do what you can.
Oh, you're good? 316-559-6960.
316-494-3234.
Let us
Let us know whatever
like,
you need.
like 8 hours?
8 hours.
8 hours for more swap. That's it.
Trannies, headers, stalls.
Cams, heads, etc. Let us know.
Hit us up. Our put our shit out.
I'll put your Instagrams and
Put
snaps.
Snapchat, Instagram, etc. on there. Facebook.
Bet.